He's so cute. Go up. So guys, here's the opening to Long Beach. So we're just trying to go to a different route this time instead of just cruising around the Cabrillo beach. This time we're going to Long Beach. So I'm looking for the Queen Mary right now. I'm trying to like find it if I can have a sneak peek of it ahead of time. Okay guys, so we are not sailing right now because we're trying to burn some gas on this Hunter 320 sailboat. This is my view right now. And hi there to all of my YouTube friends. Hi to all my family in the Philippines. To all my brothers and sisters, cousins. To all my friends around the world. Atiensas! Kumusta sa inyong lahat? Papunta kami ngayon sa Long
Mary anywhere,
Not yet. We're on autopilot, guys.
Well, it takes a couple hours to get there at this speed. I think that's one of the islands out there. Past it.
And then there's a fishing boat right there. They're fishing. They're probably getting some lobsters and all that good fish right there. They're waving at me. How fun, guys. Are you ready, guys, to see these cute seals just chilling in the buoy? They're just right there chilling, like 3 of them. F. Those container vans, all of them, they're like going to different countries, traveling international. So, like if we send boxes or balikbayan box to our loved one in Philippines or anywhere across the country, that's how they travel, like one of those container ships. Yeah, and like us, we sent a LBC box to Philippines just recently, and it took almost 2 months to get there because it's a huge process. Okay, so right there on that round thing, there's the Queen Mary. We had a glance of it from way far. And here's my handsome captain, all looking guapo, dancing like a like a professional dancer right there. Drinking some root beer. And I guess we're heading back to Cabrillo or San Pedro, California. San Pedro Ocean, whatever you call it, guys. And we are still in Long Beach at this moment, in Long Beach area. So it's kind of really nice to get here. It's not even 4 o'clock here in California, but look, it's almost like a sunset right now because it's winter in California. That's why it's like dark. It gets dark so early.
Who's quick? Good.